The things that led me to starting ImmuneWorks was an interest in understanding pulmonary immunology and the immune basis of a variety of lung diseases. Over the last 20 years, we focused on understanding and investigating lung transplantation and pulmonary fibrosis. IPF is a chronic lung disease associated with extensive scarring throughout the lung. It affects a number of individuals, up to 200,000 patients in the United States, and the age of onset is about 50 to 60 years of age. Unfortunately, once this disease starts, there really are no good therapies for the patients. You know, the patients experience initially, it may just be a cough or mild shortness of breath, but over time, and particularly over a couple of years to 3 years, there's progressive shortness of breath, and individuals literally suffocate from this disease. The cause is unknown, which is why it's named idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. Idiopathic meaning essentially something which is unknown. We think that there's injury to the lung, and after that, there's a basis for developing an autoimmune disease that involves type 5 collagen, which is the focus of what we're studying in ImmuneWorks, and actually has been the focus of my laboratory's research for the last 20 years. From an immune basis, there are two parts of the immune system, two major parts, lymphocytes, and the other part are antibodies, both of which can be specific to collagen 5. So as the lung becomes more damaged and there's more collagen 5 exposed, there's an increase in this anti-collagen 5 immune response, and the inflammation then leads to further scarring and ultimately fibrosis. The response from the thought leaders has been very favorable and very supportive, and there are a couple of notable items there, even in addition to finding a signal of efficacy in terms of lung function data. What is also notable about our phase 1 clinical trial is that 100% of the patients were able to complete the course of the drug for the 6-month period, which is distinctly unusual compared to the other treatments that are currently in trials for IPF. As we get more individualized medicine, it's very helpful to identify particular sets of patients that may benefit from therapy. And in fact, we've identified that group of individuals who are anti-collagen 5 antibody positive. It's not all IPF patients. We're targeting those that are anti-collagen 5 antibody positive.